One day there was a man getting ready to feed all the pigs, horses, sheep and chicken for tomorrow. The farmer was very happy and positive.
I bet I can take that nice farmer's jacket right off.
What do you mean you can take his jacket right off? Prove it.
So the man, completely confused with the crazy weather, saw the clouds darken and the wind pick up.
Phew, I've tried as hard as I can.
Move out of my way and I'll show you how it's really done.
And so the rain poured and poured and poured until it couldn't rain no more.
I cannot do it. It is impossible.
I feel like I cannot do it, but I will try.
You cannot do it.
Yes, I can.
And so the sun went back to the farmer to try. So then the sun shone and shone and shone until the ground got hotter and hotter until the sun could not shine anymore. Wow, it is really hot out here, the farmer said. And so slowly the farmer took off his jacket. And then back high up in the sky, the sun is glowing whilst the wind and the rain are annoyed by his efforts.
I did it.
You did
it.
I never thought I could do it.
Just shows you to believe in yourself and be who you are.
And so this farmer then started walking back through the field again.